Hi, my name is Sebastian. I'm CTO of Yworks. We're a software vendor. We are in the B2B business. That is, our customers are actually not end users, so it's software developers. They get to use our tools to create something new. So we're basically a tool provider, just like customers use Neo4j for the storage of the data. They can use our tools to create great visualizations, to create engaging visualizations with interactivity. With our software, that they can create their applications just the way they imagined it to be. So they have the opportunity to configure it so that it behaves the way they imagine it to behave. So it's the ability for them to realize the requirements, to actually see the data that's inside the databases in a new way, and then they gain insight into their data and learn new things about the data. And with the interactivity that our tools provide, they actually create engaging interfaces for the end users to play with their data, to understand the data, and to do more things with it. So it's a natural fit to be here at the Neo4j conference, because many customers, with the creation of Bloom in the introduction, they start to get to dig the visualization thing, and they see that seeing their data actually brings value to them. So Neo4j, the Bloom technology is actually cool for us, even if in a way we are competitors, because we see it as an enabler, because people see the value of visualization. And while there's a lot of possibilities you have with Bloom and other tools, for some use cases people realize that they need to have more, and this is where we come in, because we try to provide solutions to them that enable them to realize their requirements, however complicated or specific they are. So if they have very specific requirements and want to integrate visualization into their existing applications or create new applications, then they can use our tools to create something new that even we haven't thought of before. So things that really are new to us. So this is very exciting, because we're seeing so many opportunities here, and so many people doing different things with graphs. You can, as you say, graphs are everywhere, and graphs want to be visualized too. So there's so many things for us to learn from the audience here, and so it's exciting times to be here. The future of graph visualization is actually going to be exciting, I think, because there's every day someone comes up with new ideas and how to realize something, how to visualize things, how to make data more easily accessible for end users. So we learn new things every day, because we follow the requirements of our customers, and we try to make it easy for them to realize all these requirements even before we know about them. So that's the thing that makes it really great for us to hear about their experiences. When customers come to us and tell us what they implemented with our tools, it's a great experience to see that they've built tools that we've never thought of before. So we see that they managed to create new things with the help of our tools and with the data that they have in their Neo4j databases. And seeing things being created with your own tools is something that really rewarding for us. So that's a great thing to do. So the future is going to be bright. Yeah, more data, more visualization. So I'm happy to see that.